Hello friends, welcome to World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful vintage rustic farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor is a cozy, charming and nostalgic home decorating style that combines the aged beauty of vintage design with the natural warmth of rustic farmhouse living. It celebrates the simplicity, comfort, and the timeless spirit of country life, where every item feels like it has a story. Core style essence. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor blends old-fashioned charm with country-style comfort. It highlights natural textures like reclaimed oud, linen, burlap, and stone. East finishes, chipped paint, lustrous wood, and weathered metal. Muted earthy colors such as cream, beige, soft grey, warm brown, and faded pastels. It is a style that feels lifted, welcoming, and full of character, not perfect or polished, but perfectly imperfect. Vintage touches. The vintage part comes from decor that feels nostalgic, like antique clocks, enamel pictures, glass jars, and typewriters. Lace towels, floral prints, and heirloom furniture. Also use old sign, tin containers, and rustic lighting fixtures. These pieces add a sense of history and storytelling to your space. Farmhouse comfort. The farmhouse influence brings in warmth and practicality. Open shelving in kitchens, farm tables, and apron front sinks. Use open baskets, galvanized buckets, and cozy quartz. It is about simplicity and homeliness, where everything has both beauty and function. Rustic texture. Rustic elements ground the look and give it depth. Exposed beams, stone walls, or wood paneling. Raw finishes and handcrafted decor also use candles, stand flowers, or greenery in messengers. These details add that earthy countryside soul that makes the space feel beautiful and natural. Overall feel. A vintage rustic farmhouse home feels warm and nostalgic, like a visit to your grandmother's countryside home. Textured and layered, old meets new, rough meets soft. Timelessly elegant, humble beauty that never goes out of style. Let's go a little deeper into the heart and artistry of vintage rustic farmhouse decor. Its origins, emotional feelings, materials, furniture, colors, lighting, and signature details. The soul of vintage rustic farmhouse decor. This decor style was born from simple country life, where every item had a purpose but also told a story. It celebrates the beauty of imperfection, chipped paint on old, faded fabrics, the charm of nostalgia, pieces that remind us of the past, the comfort of home, warmth, coziness, and togetherness. It is not just decoration, it is an emotional style that makes a space feel alive with memories and softness. History cultures. The farmhouse look began with early rural homes that used what was available locally, wood, stone, iron, and combined it with handmade and heirloom pieces. Over time, vintage finds from the 1920s to 1950s blended into this rustic simplicity, giving it that timeless vintage flair. Color palette. The color tones are soft plum and naturalist pad. Base colors is cream, white, teal, and soft gray. Accent colors muted blues, she's green, dusty rose, or faded mustard. Natural warmth, hints of oud brown and weathered metal. This hues makes a space feel airy, light, and peaceful, a gentle escape from modern chaos. Materials and textures. Texture is what gives this style its soul. You will find reclaimed wood for tables, beams, and shelves, galvanized metal, buckets, planters, and lanterns. Cotton, linen, and burlap for cushions, curtains, and chairs, wicker and rattan in baskets and chairs, stone or brick. As rustic accents or walls, together they create a tactile, earthy atmosphere. You can feel the story in every surface. Furniture style. Furniture in vintage rustic farmhouse decor is functional, simple, and full of character. Farm tables with distressed finishes, vintage dressers and cabinets with peeling paint or antique candles, iron beds or wooden headboards in bedrooms, mix and match chairs. Not everything has to match perfectly. The mix of old and new pieces creates a warmly layered, lived-in feeling. Lighting and ambience. Lighting sets the tone. It should be soft, golden, and cozy. Use iridescent bulbs, lanterns, or candeliers with distressed finishes. Add candles, fairy lights, or table lamps with linen shades. Avoid harsh light. Aim for a warm glow that feels like evening sunlight. Decorative details. This style shines in its details. Messengers, enamel jugs, old skulls, and wooden crosses, painted sign, floral prints, and antique mirrors. Striped lavender, wild flowers, or greenery in rustic vases. Cozy layers. Use crocheted towels, handmade coils, and textured cushions. Every corner should feel personal and heartwarming, not overly styled. The feeling it creates, a home styled in vintage rustic farmhouse decor feels peaceful like a quiet morning on a countryside porch, inviting like a warm cup of tea shared with family, romantic like a memory from a simpler time. It is about creating a gentle, soulful space where time slows down, where you feel connected to nature, nostalgia, and comfort. The philosophy behind the style. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor celebrates authentic living. The idea that every scratch, every faded color, every imperfection holds beauty. It values honesty of materials, like real wood, real metal, real fabric. Soulful simplicity, not fancy but deeply comforting. Emotional connection, pieces that remind you of a story, a person, a season of life. It is about living slowly, with gratitude for the small, handmade, and heartfelt things. The atmosphere it creates. Imagine walking into a room where the scent of old wood and dried lavender hangs in the air. The light is golden and soft through linen curtains. Our own wooden table holds a vase of wildflower. That is the spirit of vintage rustic farmhouse decor, warm, nostalgic, and poetic. The emotional layers. Each object in a farmhouse style space tells a quiet story. The old trunk by the bed, maybe it once held family keepsakes. The antique frames, a window to the past. The antique frame, a window to the past. The crocheted rope, made by loving hands. These little details add memory and depth, creating a home that feels alive with history. Mixing vintage and rustic gracefully. The key to balance, vintage brings refinement. Use lace, florals, antique silver, and delicate details. Rustic brings earthiness, raw wood, handmade pottery, and natural fabrics. Together, they create a beautiful contrast, gentle yet grounded, elegant yet humble. Example, a lace table genre reads across a reclaimed old dining table. Beauty meets simplicity. Handmade and repurposed beauty. The charm often lies in repurposing. Turn an old shore into a headboard. Use vintage jar as flower vases. Repaint and distress furniture to give it that lived-in look. This not only saves materials, it celebrates creativity and care, just like country homes once did. Nature as inspiration. Nature is always part of this style. It brings peace and life. Decorate with wildflowers, dried herbs, branches, pine cones, or wreaths. Use linen and cotton to reflect natural softness. Let sunlight in. Natural light enhances the textures beautifully. A vintage rustic farmhouse home feels connected to the seasons. It changes gently with them. The symbolism, each detail symbolizes something deeper, old, strength and warmth, faded fabrics for softness of time, flowers, renewal and grace, light, hope and calm. It is not just decor, it is a philosophy of heartful living. This style is not just design, it is a way of living, a quiet art form that turns a house into a storybook of comfort, memory, and belonging. The cultural spirit. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor comes from heritage of simple rural living, where people valued what they had, reused what was old, and loved the beauty of everyday things. It inspired by European countryside charm, like English cottages, French farmhouses, and Tuscan villas. American farmhouse warmth, open kitchens, wooden barns, and family gatherings. It honors the time when life was slower, things were handmade, and every object had meaning. That is why it feels so peaceful and grounding today. It connects us with authenticity. The lifestyle behind the look. Decor in this style is more than visual. It represents a mindset, solar morning, homemade bread, soft music, collecting antique pieces over time, not rushing to buy everything new. Mixing practical comfort with beauty, an apron hanging on a hook, a basket by the door. It is about living gently, surrounded by things that make your heart feel full, not cluttered but cherished. The art of imperfection, Obishabi influence. Vintage rustic farmhouse decor quietly ethos the Japanese idea of Obishabi, finding beauty in imperfection and impermanence. A cheap teacup is not flawed, it is honest. A faded fabric is not old, it is soft with time. A scratched table is not worn out, it is alive with family history. The art of imperfection gives your home depth and soul. Lifetime itself has become a decoration. Storytelling through objects. Every object tells a story. A rusty lantern might whispers of old farm evenings. A floral teacup recalls family gatherings. A vintage photo frame holds a window into memory. When you fill your home with such objects, it becomes a living museum of tenderness, a reflection of who you are and what you love. The seasonal rhythm. A vintage rustic farmhouse home changes gently with the seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers, pastel linens, open windows. Summer, light fabrics, wicker baskets are in jars. Autumn, pumpkins, plaid dress, amber candlelight. Winter, use old blanket, pine branches, soft white tones. The home breathes with nature, always simple, natural, and comforting. Artistry, sensibility. This decor is an art of Subtle beauty, balance of old and new, like pairing a modern sofa with a vintage cabinet. Harmony the tone, every shade feels soft and sun-washed. Pictures as art, wood grain, crochet lace, stone, and linen weaved together. It is not flashy design, it is poetic design, where atmosphere matters more than perfection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.